This is the one that gives everybody a hard time because nothing really fits and they end up stripping it out. That's when I will go back to the toolbox. We'll get the snap-on tool out for this because I do not want to strip out, especially this special. Alright, so the car is the 1988 through 1991 Honda Civic wagon, but 4-door CRX hatchback should all be basically the same on the front clip. What we're going to do today is strip down the front clip, starting with the front bumper, and tear it all down into the engine bay. Check out kind of the tools we'll need. Pretty basic to take the whole thing apart. The power tools aren't really necessary, but I got a 10, 12, 14, 17 wrench, Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, needle nose, channel locks, and a pair of dikes, wire cutters, a couple different socket wrenches, some extensions, and again, same sizes on the socket, 10, 12, 14, 17. Could take apart the whole car with that. A couple other tools come in handy here and there, but if you're going in order, that's really all you need. This is the one that gives everybody a hard time because nothing really fits and they end up stripping it out. That's when I will go back to the toolbox. We'll get the snap-on tool out for this because I do not want to strip out, especially this special. Drywall distributor bolt. But the distributor bolts are nice and long and they do have a Phillips, but don't try to use a Phillips in there unless you have the right torque to do it. And the others they gave you fairly easy access to. They just hid that one, or buried it, or kept the Honda Tech in business, I guess is the easiest way to describe it. And this one, you can see it nice from the top, and you do have a good angle on it. I'm not doing anything special there. And with that last bolt, the distributors want to come off with me, so almost there. These distributor plugs, if you try to unplug them the way they sit, they're a pain in the neck, so it's best to get the whole plug free, and then once we get it out of our way, we can have more room to work with. See what I'm saying? This is so much easier now. And this one's kind of I don't know why Honda made every plug different. Like you would think they would have used the same way, but as soon as you think you have one figured out, they do something different on you.